Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make pop-in subtitles on CapCut PC. Select your video and you're going to go to text here. I am just going to select the auto captions on this video, if it would just let me. Auto captions, and then I'm just going to generate the auto captions. And once I've generated the auto caption, I am going to put a style on it. It is a pro feature, but it does make everything easier. Trust me, it is very easy to do. If you go to the template section, you'll find that there's a bunch of them that you can choose from. So it's probably this one. Just select whichever one you want. And as you can see, it pops up and you don't even have to add animations. It's just much easier that way, as you can see. Again, there's a bunch of templates that you can choose from. You can do this manually, but I suggest doing it this way because it is easier to do. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.